In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to pin and unpin locations in Apple Maps. Now, it's very simple to do. Just follow along closely to ensure you get it correct. Now, based upon your iOS version, it might be slightly different, but if you're on the most up-to-date version, it should be the same. Now, it's all going to be relatively the same anyway, so don't worry. What we first want to do is find the location that we want to go ahead and mark. And you can be pretty accurate with this, so zoom in as much as possible. Let's say we want to go ahead and mark this part of this road here. What we can do, tap on it and hold it, and that's going to go ahead and drop a pin. So what we can do from here is we can go ahead and press on the More button, and we can actually add this to favorites. And this will mean we can go back to it at different times. Now, let's say we want to go ahead and remove the pin. All we have to do is tap on it, hold it, and there's going to be a few options here. So you've got directions and remove pin. Obviously, to remove the pin, press the remove pin button, and this should go ahead and remove it. And you can go ahead and do this anywhere, and you can have multiple of these at once if you want to. And it's really useful for getting directions to a very specific location on the map. So that's basically how you do it. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below that it helped, and let me know if there's any other videos you'd like me to make about Apple or anything else in particular. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.